What if your keyboard could last for days or even weeks without ever worrying about charging while still delivering lightning-fast performance and premium typing feel? In 2026, rechargeable wireless keyboards aren't just convenient, they're smarter, faster, and built for the future. Today, we're breaking down the top 6 latest rechargeable wireless keyboards that are absolutely worth your money. Number 6. Gravastar Mercury K1. The Gravastar Mercury K1 75% wireless mechanical keyboard is one of the most eye-catching and powerful compact keyboards you can feature in 2026, blending bold design with serious rechargeable wireless performance. Sporting a streamlined 75% layout with 79 keys plus a programmable control knob, it gives you essential functionality while saving precious desk space, making it ideal for both productivity and gaming setups. Under the hood, it runs on a massive 8,000 mAh rechargeable battery that can deliver up to hundreds of hours of wireless use on a single charge, even with RGB lighting active, and recharges conveniently via USB-C. You get tri-mode connectivity, Bluetooth, ultra-low latency 2.4 GHz wireless, and wired USB-C, so switching between devices or modes is seamless. The keyboard's premium aluminum alloy frame and durable PBT/PC keycaps ensure long-lasting durability, while the gasket-mounted design and hot-swappable Kyle switches deliver smooth, responsive keystrokes with satisfying acoustics. Dual RGB lighting systems with customizable effects add flair, and the companion software lets you tweak lighting, macros, and more to suit your workflow or gaming aesthetic. Whether you're aiming for futuristic desk flair or extended battery life without frequent charging, the Mercury K1 hits an excellent balance of style, performance, and rechargeable convenience in 2026. Number 5. ASUS ROG Azoth Extreme Wireless. The ROG Azoth Extreme represents one of the most premium and cutting-edge wireless mechanical keyboards to enter the market in 2026, pushing the boundaries of what a compact gaming keyboard can achieve. Built on ASUS's already successful Azoth platform, the Extreme version elevates everything from materials to performance with a full metal chassis, advanced gasket-mounted design, and multiple layers of sound-dampening foam that deliver an ultra-smooth and refined typing experience. One of its standout features is the inclusion of next-generation switch technology and adjustable typing feel, allowing users to fine-tune responsiveness for both gaming and productivity. The 75% layout strikes a perfect balance between compactness and functionality, while tri-mode connectivity, 2.4 GHz wireless, Bluetooth, and wired USB-C ensures seamless switching across devices. Adding to its futuristic appeal is a built-in OLED display and control knob, offering real-time system info and customization directly on the keyboard. When it comes to power, the Azoth Extreme features a high-capacity rechargeable battery that delivers long-lasting performance on a single charge, easily supporting extended gaming or work sessions, and recharges quickly via USB-C to minimize downtime. Despite its high-end positioning, it maintains strong wireless performance in low latency, making it ideal for competitive gaming setups. Number 3. NuPhy Air75 V3. If you're someone who values portability without compromising on performance, the NuPhy Air75 V3 stands out as one of the most stylish and practical rechargeable wireless keyboards. This keyboard is designed with a slim and lightweight profile, making it easy to carry in a backpack or use in compact workspaces. Despite its thin design, it delivers a surprisingly strong typing experience, thanks to its refined, low-profile mechanical switches that offer a good balance between responsiveness and comfort. The rechargeable battery is highly efficient, allowing you to use the keyboard for extended periods without constantly worrying about recharging. It supports USB-C charging, which ensures quick and convenient power-ups whenever needed. One of the biggest advantages of the Air75 V3 is its multi-device connectivity, enabling you to connect and switch between multiple devices such as laptops, tablets, and smartphones seamlessly. The 75% layout strikes a perfect balance between compactness and functionality, retaining essential keys like arrows and function controls while saving valuable desk space, making it visually appealing whether you're using it in a professional office setup or a casual home workspace. The build quality is solid despite its lightweight nature, ensuring durability over time. Overall, the NuPhy Air75 V3 offers a perfect combination of portability, performance, and reliable rechargeable battery life, making it a great option for students, professionals, and anyone who values a clean and efficient setup. Number 3. Lenovo 800 Self-Charging Keyboard. The Lenovo 800 Self-Charging Keyboard redefines what rechargeable wireless keyboards can do. Unlike traditional keyboards that rely entirely on manual charging, this model incorporates self-charging technology that uses ambient light and typing motion to generate power. This means that under normal usage conditions, the keyboard can continuously recharge itself, significantly reducing the need for plugging it in. In ideal lighting environments, it can operate for extremely long periods without requiring manual charging, making it one of the most convenient keyboards available. It connects via Bluetooth and supports multiple devices, allowing you to switch between your laptop, tablet, or desktop seamlessly. The design is minimal and modern, fitting perfectly into clean and professional workspaces. Its lightweight and compact build also make it highly portable, which is ideal for users who work remotely or frequently move between locations. The biggest advantage of this keyboard is its ability to eliminate battery anxiety, as you no longer have to worry about running out of charge during important tasks. This innovation makes it a standout choice for users who prioritize convenience, sustainability, and efficiency. Number 2. Logitech G915X Lightspeed. The Logitech G915X Lightspeed stands as one of the most refined and futuristic wireless mechanical keyboards you can get in 2026, combining ultra-slim design with elite-level performance. Built with low-profile GL mechanical switches, it delivers an incredibly fast actuation point of around 1.3 millimeters, allowing your key presses to register almost instantly, a huge advantage for competitive gaming and fast typing workflows. One of its biggest strengths is its tri-mode connectivity, giving you the flexibility to switch between Lightspeed 2.4 GHz wireless for ultra-low latency gaming, Bluetooth for multi-device setups, or wired USB-C for uninterrupted performance. Compared to its predecessor, the G915X introduces subtle but meaningful upgrades, including a thicker aluminum top plate for improved durability, redesigned switches for a smoother and quieter typing experience, and a more modern USB-C charging port. Despite its incredibly slim 23mm profile, the keyboard feels premium and solid, making it perfect for both minimalist desk setups and high-end gaming rigs. Battery life is another standout feature. With RGB lighting turned off, it can last hundreds of hours, making it a truly reliable rechargeable wireless keyboard. Add to that customizable macro keys, dedicated media controls, and full RGB personalization through Logitech G, and you get a keyboard that perfectly balances performance, aesthetics, and practicality for gamers, creators, and professionals. Number 1. Keychron K10 HE. When it comes to next-level typing and gaming performance, the Keychron K10 HE stands as one of the most advanced full-size wireless keyboards you can get in 2026. This keyboard is built around cutting-edge Hall effect magnetic switches, which means instead of traditional mechanical contact, it uses magnetic sensors to detect key presses with extreme precision and durability, ultra-light touches for gaming to deeper presses for accurate typing. It also supports rapid trigger functionality, making it incredibly responsive for competitive gaming scenarios where every millisecond counts. The Keychron K10 HE features a full 100% layout, making it perfect for productivity users who need a numpad alongside premium performance. In terms of connectivity, it offers both wireless and wired modes, ensuring flexibility across multiple devices, including Windows, Mac OS, and even Linux systems. The keyboard also delivers a premium build quality with a solid frame and customizable RGB lighting, giving it a clean yet powerful desk presence. On top of that, its hot-swappable magnetic switches allow users to experiment with different typing feels without replacing the entire keyboard. And those were the best rechargeable wireless keyboards of 2026. From high-performance gaming beasts to ultra-portable and self-charging innovations. Whether you want speed, battery life, or convenience, there's a perfect option here for you. If you've enjoyed this video, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tech content. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.